Project Aumazo is growing. When I started Project Aumazo 7 years ago, I envisioned an environment where girls are constantly reminded that their action makes a difference in their lives and their community. I also dream of a school that will become self-sustaining. And that dream has become a reality. Can you believe it? Project Aumazo is changing lives already in my country.
Together, we can follow Jacqueline's lead with our contribution to the BRIC campaign. It's a change we can afford.
I first met Jacqueline Chouassi Odige, who was a native Cameroonian and who at that time was a graduate student of mine in the Department of Educational Policy at the University of Maryland when I was visiting assistant professor there. Jacqueline and I just continued to imagine our collaboration and how we might actually bring some of my students in from the teacher ed program now to the Cameroon, where she had already now and had begun building a secondary school for girls in Bankonji. How could we make this collaboration concrete? And she just thought that this would be the best thing, not only for my students, of course, but for for the students there in Bankonji, and how we might develop eventually collaborations where we would have student exchanges. How to make this concrete? Well, on faculty, two things: courses, scholarship. That's how you make things concrete.
The harmony and hopes created by this project show that investments in education generate greater benefits for all those involved. Mr. Musoni, a hydroform engineer, came on site from Uganda in December of 2011. He trained Aumazo workers on operation, usage, and maintenance of the machine, and showed them how to set the blocks.
The library has the demonstration room during the training. Isn't that great?
Yes.
Don't you love it?
Yes.
I'm so excited.
We can turn things around for the residents of this village through thoughtful actions and with generous contributions made to the Aumazo Development Project. Raise $250 or more and your name will be engraved on a customized brick that will become part of the walkway you helped build with your fundraising efforts. Let's build a better future, one brick at a time. To make a donation or for more information, please visit the website www.aumazo.org.